I mean, a 3-second wig got your girl feeling so good. 1, 2, 3. Done. Like, stop playing with me, baby. Love it. It's giving black girl excellence. So here's how it look with the curls defined. It look really, really good. I'm so in love with this. Alright, so getting started on my 10-minute hair series. This is a curly wig with a bang. It's nothing to this wig but to do it, honestly. Alright, so I just have my hair cornrow to the back. I love how they have a little bit of lace in the middle, you know, to get that realistic install. I was debating if I was going to wet this hair first. I wanted to see how it looked in its natural state as well, you know, show you what's going on. Okay. Right off rip, it's really cute. Okay, you see the part? Scalp action, baby. 1 minute install, literally, but instantly, as soon as you put it on, you're ready. I'm loving the bangs. Can't really see because of my shirt, but this is where it's stopping at. Oh, should I do this off the shoulder? This is cute off the shoulder. Let me take some pictures really quick of it in its natural state, and then I'll be right back. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Oh. Okay, I took some real cute pictures. I really cannot get over the fact this wig install took me 3 seconds. Literally took me 3 seconds. And the fact that you have this little bit of lace right here at the top, I'm so in love with this wig. Like, it's just giving everything. It's giving black girl excellence, right? It really is. It is. I'm loving the bangs. Like, they're very natural looking. The texture of this hair is just gorgeous. Look at the lace. Stop. It's the little things. Okay. And how would you style your bangs? Would you style them all the way up like this? Okay, yeah. Bangs up high. Bangs down a little lower. This is about where I had them the first time, I will say. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just or low, like past my lashes. Let me know down below which one you think fits my face. Alright, that's enough pictures because I will keep taking pictures because this shit look that good, baby. I mean, a 3-second wig got your girl feeling so good. So, I will leave the link down below in the description. Click it. Go get yours. This will forever be in my stash. You can easily throw it on and go. Watch me take it off. Oh yeah, and plus you have adjustable so you can tighten it and then tuck that string and know that your wig is secure. Not going anywhere. Push it over to the side, honey. You want a little bit more volume? Push it over to the side. But yeah, 3 seconds. Watch me take it off. Okay, and watch me put it on just as fast again. 1, 2, 3. Done. Like, stop playing with me, baby. Love it. And you still have the lace showing in the middle, so if you know, you put your head down, fool the people, okay? But yes, you have that lace looking good. This side, and you see the hair texture. I love it. All right, you guys, gotta go. I'm gonna keep saying I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't.
All right, y'all, so it's the next day, probably not even 24 hours later, and the hair is completely dry. So let's put her on. The last time I installed this wig was about a week ago, but I already go out with one of my homegirls, and honey, yeah, we're gonna throw this on. And when I first started getting ready, she said she was like 20 minutes away. And I have about 3 or 4 minutes before she's here. I did my makeup really quick. Took me like 15 minutes to do my makeup. A little under 15 minutes. And you see, all I have to do is put the wig on. So here's how it look with the curls defined. It look really, really good. I'm so in love with this. So we're just gonna go to some stores, probably grab something to eat. And that's it. And this style is perfect for that. I don't know which one I like more, the curls defined or the natural state when I first pulled it out. It's kind of hard to say. All right, so for real, that's all for this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this quick and easy wig. Click the link if you would also like to go purchase yours. And I'll see you guys in my next video.